Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video doing an unboxing and review of Flippysox, which are these socks right here. These pairs of socks are really cool and unique design where they encompass a zipper on the side with a pouch that allows you to carry things on the go. And so if you have to carry either your wallet, your keys, extra cash, credit cards, whatever it might be, you can throw it directly in your socks rather than having to rely on pockets or kind of bringing a purse or something like that with you. And so I actually saw this online and reached out to the company to review this because I routinely go to the gym or go for runs where I have to bring my keys and my wallet with me. And it's really cumbersome to have to throw it in a locker at the gym. And so this would be a great alternative if it works for carrying things like that on the go. And so what we'll do in this video is we'll show you what these socks look like up close. Then I'll throw some stuff in the actual zipper pocket to get you a sense of what the capacity is. Then lastly, I'll throw these on my feet to get a general sense of the fit and feel. And we'll kind of get a comparison of what it feels like with things in the pocket as well as without. As always, if you're interested in potentially purchasing this, I'll leave links in the description below. Okay, so these are Flippysox. You can currently get these on Amazon for $17 per pair. In front of you, we're going to have two separate black pairs as well as a white pair, but they've got several other designs. They've got kind of pretty unique designs. They've got a Black Lives Matter design, a dog and cat themed one, a California one with bears and flowers on it. They have a Darth Vader one, an Earth themed one, Easter egg themed, and then the best mom ever, a biker themed, and then like a Lucky Charm one with a leprechaun on it. So definitely check out the links below to look at those, but these are the general standard black and white design. As far as the design of these, they're going to be one size fits most, as it says on the top right here. It's basically got a, as you can see here, a side pocket with a zipper that's incorporated directly into the pair of socks so that you can store things directly into it. And that allows you to carry things on the go, which is a really cool and unique design. On the back here, it says some backstory. It says Flippysox were created by an 8-year-old from California named Jordan. She was at an event when she wanted someplace safe to put her money, so she stuffed the money into her sock, creating the first sock wallet. Flippysox now comes with a zipper pocket that can fit a credit card, money, and other valuables so you can play more and worry less. It has soft cushioning, breathable polyester, and that's the general kind of gist of it. What we'll do is we'll open this up and pull this apart so you can see what the actual socks look like more up close. But the white ones are pretty standard white socks, as you can see. Flippysox across the front here. And then this is the zipper compartment on the end. Sorry, there's little plastic tabs. If you see here, the zipper is only on one pair of socks. It does not come on both, so just keep that in mind if you were kind of looking at this for more storage purposes. And it's a general nice, very, very soft, breathable kind of feel for the sock. I feel like this is going to be very comfortable when I actually throw it on. Now, as far as the sock pocket, it basically goes across down to here on the ankle. So it's basically about probably like 4 inches by whatever, 4 inches in size. I've got some stuff that I'll throw in here. So these are my car keys and my house wallet or house keys. So you can easily, I think, stuff that in. Yeah, so that can stuff very easily in there. This is just some cash. We'll see if we can throw that in as well. There you go. And then as well as some other cards from my wallet. Obviously nothing that has my personal information on it when I'm doing YouTube. But that's kind of what you can stuff in here. You can easily zipper that. Whether you can actually wear that all, we'll have to see when I actually put it on my foot, but the pocket does fit from that standpoint as far as fitting things. Typically what I would do is I'd probably just carry my keys and my house keys because it has my house key on it. But that'd be the most convenient aspect of it. But if you really just wanted to carry cash and a credit card, you could easily do that as well. So that's kind of the gist of that. And so that's what that looks like as far as the white one. Real quick, I'll just show you the black one as well. We'll take this apart but virtually it should be identical. It's just going to be a black sock instead of white, obviously. But this is what it looks like very similarly. So it's black instead, has a zipper. And the zipper, let's see how easy it opens and closes. It's actually a little bit difficult, which is actually favorable because it does secure it into place. It is a, if you see, it's actually like kind of like a neoprene kind of material there. So it's kind of like waterproof, which is nice as well. But the zipper seems pretty robust for this type of product. So now what we'll do is we'll just set up the camera with a different angle. I'll throw these on my feet, get a sense of how it feels as an overall sock. Then we'll throw stuff back into it to get a sense of how well it fits as well when it's actually on your body. Okay, so we'll try on the black pair first. These should be, I didn't mention it, they should be size 6 to 12. So we'll have to check out the size and fit for this. But actually it fits very, very well. So overall, it's a nice, very soft feeling sock. Definitely like a softer material. It is a little bit thicker than, like, I feel like more durable based on like the overall design. And it is very, very breathable. You can just definitely feel like your foot's gonna breathe well with this. There at the top here, there is elastic design where it's a little bit thicker across the top here that secures the sock across your ankle, which is nice. But you can either slide it up or down, but it basically goes to like the mid-calf area, a little bit lower than mid-calf, I would say. But the design overall is nice as far as a pair of socks. And then this is the actual zipper compartment. So it's across the side on the one side on the either right or left sock. You could either put it on the inside here or on the outside. Outside's probably preferable as far as comfort. But when you actually put on the sock, I don't really notice a drastic difference there. It's very comfortable from that standpoint. Now what we'll do is we'll just test this out as far as putting things in here. So first off, I'll just throw whatever cash I have here. So that fits very, very easily. We've got a couple cards here, which fits surprisingly well too. Like you do feel them slightly, but it's not crazy there. And then lastly, my keys, which are probably the biggest item that I would potentially throw on here, but probably the most useful. And that actually slides in there pretty well as well. And then it zippers up very, very easily. As far as comfort, to be honest, when you're wearing this, you don't really notice it. Like, it doesn't move that much. It is kind of like on your ankle, and it does bunch up, and you can kind of see that. But it is a pocket there where you can secure things, and I feel like you could potentially run with this and get away with not having it jostle at all, which is pretty cool because I'm like kicking my leg and nothing's happening in there. So I think this is a great way to actually carry your keys on the go. It's a very, very unique design from that aspect of things, that you're able to kind of fit all this with you on the go if you don't have pockets and need space to carry like your keys, one credit card, and some cash. So it's a great general design, but that's really all I have. I'm not going to show you the white pair just because it's redundant. But the white's just virtually identical. They've got the other designs as well. But these are Flippysox. They're one size fits all. You can get them on Amazon for about $17.